Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to stop WhatsApp from automatically saving photos, videos on your phone. Step 1. First open the WhatsApp and go to the settings. Tap in the bottom right. Step 2. In the settings, tap on chat. Here you'll find the option that controls media savings. Step 3. You'll see a switch called Save to Camera Roll. Turn this off. This stops all photos and videos from automatically saving to your phone Photos app. Step 4. If you want to allow media saving for certain people only, go to the chat, tap their name, tap Save to Camera Roll, choose default, always or never, and that's it. Now you have stopped WhatsApp from automatically saving media on your phone. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.